All eyes are peeled for the Huawei P20 launch that is to take place on March 27. However, reports are now emerging about Huawei's next Mate series smartphone as well. It would seem that the Chinese smartphone giant is changing its naming pattern for not only the P series phones, but also the Mate series. Huawei Mate 10. The Huawei P10 is being succeeded not by the P11, but by the P20. Similarly, according to a Chinese website named Itomi, Huawei might be naming the successor of the Mate 10 smartphone as Mate 20 and not the Mate 11. The user has also provided the specs of the new Mate and Honor smartphones launching this year. The Huawei Mate 20 and 20 Pro will have the yet-to-be-announced HiSilicon Kirin 980 SoC alongside 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage variants. The Mate 20 will also have a 5.9-inch 2K display, while the Pro version will surprisingly have only a 1080p display, albeit with a 6-inch screen. Both Mate smartphones will come with a dual-camera system with 20MP plus 12MP sensors and a front camera with an 8MP sensor. As per the report, both devices are set to launch this October and have a price tag starting from 3,899 Chinese renminbi yuan, around Rs 39,000 for the Mate 20 and 4,899 Chinese renminbi yuan, around Rs 49,000 for the Mate 20 Pro. Other devices being launched by Huawei's sub-brand Honor are as follows.